Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Clear Concept. Now in this lecture we are going to discuss about what is prime factorization method. And this method is used to find the HCF of any two numbers or more than two numbers. Let's see how can we perform this method. And there are mainly three steps are involved to perform prime factorization method. In step 1, we should write the LCM of a given number in terms of prime. That's why this method is called as prime factorization method, as we're writing the LCM in terms of prime. And in step 2, we are mapping the common terms in between the two numbers. And in step 3, we are multiplying the common terms, then we will get the HCF of a number. Now we will compare the prime factorization method with factors method with same example and we will check the whether we will get the same answer or not.
Now we will first do the LCM for 12. 2 6 are 12, 2 3 are 6, 3 1s are 3. 12 equals to, we write the 12 as 2 into 2 into 3. Written above by performing LCM. And for 18, 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. For 18 equals to 2 into 3 into 3. If you multiply 2 into 2, 4, 4 3s are 12, we get the same answer. And we should observe that the above all are in primes. 2 is in prime and 3 is also prime. So that's why this method is called as prime factorization method. Now we should select the common in both the above. 2 is common in between 12 and 18 and 3 is common. And here 2 and 3 are not same, so we should leave the term. We should write 2 and here 3. Not, don't write 2 2's here, only we should write 1 2, common term in both the cases. So the HCF of 12 comma 8 is 2 3's are 6. So same answer we get for 12 comma 18 like previous case. Therefore the HCF of 12 comma 18 is 6. Now we look at the second example, 16 comma 24. We will first do the LCM of 16. 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 2, 2 1s are 16. We can write as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. If you multiply 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. We will get the same answer again. For 24, 2 12s are 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6, 3 1s. 24 we can written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, and we should write the common terms. Here 2 is common, here 2, here 2. Now we should write this one term here, here one. And here is the one common term, and here is the second, and here is the third one. Above case we should write the only one term, and therefore 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Therefore we get the HCF of 16 and 24 as 8. We get the same answer like in the previous case. Thank you.